Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed these clip-ins that I received from CurlsQueen's hair company. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this super full and beautiful look with my natural hair, continue watching. So today's video is sponsored by CurlsQueen Hair Company. I'm just gonna unbox and show you guys what I received in my package. So I got a bag with goodies, and first things first, I got this super cute tangling brush that had CurlsQueen's on it, of course. And then I got this bonnet and also some clip-ins, well, some extra clip-ins that I can use on the hair wefts. And I'm just showing you guys how to open and close them. And then I received a thank you card and also a pamphlet with all their information and details that you would need in case you guys are looking for anything. It is all here. So then I also received a little bag with the hair inside of it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the hair looks straight out the package. So these are clip-ins, as I said before. So I will be just attaching them in my hair, and I'm just showing you guys the combs, and you just push it out for the clips to open and push it inwards for the clips to close. And this is a loose curly texture, and I chose this texture because I thought it would match my hair texture because my hair is super loose, but my curls are like, it's not curly, but it's loose. So I feel like it's super loose, and I do have heat damage in my hair. So this is their 20-inch hair, and I just wanted it to blend in perfectly with my hair, so that is why I chose this. So we're jumping straight into this tutorial. My hair is already washed, so I'm just showing you guys the hair once again and how it is looking. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my ponytail and show you guys how my hair looks when it's wet in its natural state. So this is how my hair looks. As you can see, as I mentioned before, my curls are super loose and my hair does not stay curly. It starts to puff out. So I'm going to try to do this and show you guys how it looks. So I'm just unpackaging this bundle, and I'm going to show you guys how much clip-ins come in this one bundle. So as you can see, there are different lengths of clip-ins. It starts off with having 2, and then we have a set with 3, and then we have a set with 4. The longest sets have 5 clips in it, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with parting the back of my hair. And I'll be using the smallest set of clip-ins in the back. So once I've made my part, I'm going to go ahead and use the clip-in that has 2 clips on it, and I'm just going to push it out. That way it is open. As you can see, I can stick my nail underneath the comb, and I am just going to put this basically on the parting of my hair and just stick it in where my hair is and just press it down to close the clips, and that is it. It is as simple as that, guys. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I reach the top. And today I will be wearing a side part, so I'm going to make sure I am putting the clips in the direction of a side part. And also, guys, if the clips are not long enough, you can also add clips beside it. That's why they have different lengths, so you can always play around with it, and that is the good thing about it. So as you can see, when I get to basically the middle part of my head, I'm using the longer clips. I don't wait until I reach the top because the middle part of your head is much wider than the very top and the very back. So you want to make sure that when you use the clips that have either 4 or 5 pieces in it, you want to make sure that is in the center part of your head. So please keep that in mind when you decide to put in your clip-ins, because you do not want to have to cut them for no reason. So I do suggest using the longer pieces in the center. At this point, guys, my hair was starting to get a bit dry. So you can see that my curls are literally starting to get puffy at this point. But I'm gonna continue adding in these pieces because, as you know, when your hair is no longer wet and you wear it throughout the day, it just reverts. And you do not want to think that your hair is blending when an hour later it is not going to blend. So I wanted to add in the clips and continue to do it to see how it was going to react with my hair. And to be honest, I think it did really well. These loose curls definitely fit my hair texture, because as much as I had the heat damage at the front, it still allowed my hair to blend and it was able to get very like full and puffy, and that was great, because without the clip-ins my hair would have been really thin looking. One thing I could say about these clips though, guys, they laid really flat. They were not bulky, especially like as you can see I'm turning them and making them in a U-part shape. It honestly laid so flat you would not even think you had in any clip-ins. Like it was a row. So I did like that, but I'm gonna continue adding in the clips. And I just want to let you guys know I also did use every single clip that they provided in this bundle, and it filled my entire head. So one bundle of clip-ins was good enough for what I did. And so basically this is how I got it into the side part. I'm just using right now a detangling spray from Revlon, and I'm just spraying that all throughout my hair because, as I did mention before, my hair was getting dry. But you can just see how versatile this is. Like you can wear it however you'd like. You could wear it in the middle part, side part, half up, half down. You can use these clips for a ponytail, like anything you want. But I decided to wear this in the side part, and I just sprayed the hair to just revive my curls a bit. I also went in with my BioSilk, and for those who are not new here, you guys know I love to use BioSilk on my curly hair as well. So that's what you see me doing now. Next, I'm going in with my Easy Edge Control, and I'm just applying that to my edges at the side and also a bit at the front. And this is basically how it's looking, guys. It is the best vacation hair, if you cannot tell by this tan that I have. Like, this is the easiest, like, nothing to do, most natural hairstyle that I could ever use for a vacation. So I'm just showing you guys how versatile it is. Like, come on. I was loving it. So once again, shout out to CurlsQueen Hair for sponsoring today's video. All the details will be down in my description box below, guys. So if you are interested, if you do have a hair texture kind of like mine and you're trying to figure out what type of clip-ins you can get, this is it, 100%. So I'm just showing you guys how nice and full my hair is looking. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Like this video and stay tuned, guys, because I have more videos coming. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.